In a major development from Assam, thousands of tribal students and youth in the borderland region of Assam, dominated by the Bodo tribe, which is the largest tribal group in Assam, today stormed the secretariat of the Bodoland Territorial Council, which is the BTC, after a massive rally protesting the state government's move to grant ST status, or the scheduled tribe status, to 6 additional communities, which means 6 more communities will be brought under the ST status. And students have allegedly ransacked parts of the BTC secretariat. Because of this, they are protesting against this. I believe there are some reactions that are coming in on this big story. The visuals are there on your screen. Let's play them out.
If the earlier Congress governments did not do it properly, what the hell was this BJP government doing for the last 10 years? Why did, in spite of 2 terms coming to the government, in spite of their assurance during the pre-poll campaign process, when the present tribal affairs minister also came to Assam and said, this tribal scheduling file is in my table. You elect the BJP government for the first time in Assam and we will give you in 1 month. In spite of that promise in 2016, in 2014, what did they do for all this time?
क्योंकि आप भी जो मांग रहे एसटी लोग, उन लोग भी बोला था कि प्रेजेंट एसटी का कोई खतरा नहीं होना चाहिए। तो हमारा ये अपील रहेगा, क्योंकि सिर्फ आज इसको ले किया है, ये भारत सरकार को सबमिट किया जाएगा, ST/SC कमीशन में ये जाएगा, रजिस्टर्ड जनरल ऑफ इंडिया में जाएगा, इसके बाद पार्लियामेंट में आएगा। इसीलिए भारत सरकार को भी हमारा अपील है ताकि इस समस्या को गंभीर तरफ से देखा जाए और प्रेजेंट और जो ST होने के लिए मांग कर रहे हैं उन दोनों को देख के ताकि अच्छा सा एक हल निकाले, यही हमारा अपील है।
Ratnadeep Chaudhary joins me live for more updates on this. Ratnadeep, what really has happened there? Those visuals indicate massive protests by students.
That's right. In fact, let us first break it for our viewers. Exactly what had happened is that a few days back, the Assam cabinet has approved the report of the group of ministers. Remember, the Assam government had created a group of ministers who have studied the entire demand of the 6 communities who have been for long asking for a scheduled tribe status, and the report of the group of ministers have been tabled this evening in the last day of the winter session of the Assam Assembly. In the Assembly, the recommendations will be sent to centre. The group of ministers have recommended with several other recommendation that the centre can actually consider giving the scheduled tribe status to these communities. However, it is the prerogative of the centre and the parliament has to approve it, and then only the scheduled tribe status can be given. But the existing tribal groups in Assam, particularly the Bodos, who are the largest tribal group in Assam, are opposed to this idea, and therefore the students and the youth from the Bodo community and some other tribal groups have been protesting. Now in the headquarters of the Bodoland Territorial Region, the BTR, the Bodoland Territorial Council is there in Kokrajhar. There a massive rally took place, and then the students actually stormed into the secretariat of the Bodoland Territorial Council. What we have been given to understand that there are allegations of ransacking of some of the furnitures, and they have given an ultimatum of 24 hours for the Bodoland Territorial Area Council Chief Hagrama Mohilari to make his stand clear. Remember, he is a partner to the BJP. He is an ally of the NDA. So therefore, this is bringing up into a major issue in Assam, given the fact that the Assam cabinet has approved the recommendation and the report of the group of ministers. It has been tabled in the assembly and will be forwarded to centre for centre to look into it.
All right, I'm going to leave it there.